Getting started. Creating an NVivo project on Mac. When you open NVivo, you should have the following screen. The sample project in the middle is very useful because it will give you access to a fully completed project. Sometimes we will use that project in some of the other sessions. Under the sample project, you can see links to some of the projects that I have been working on recently. Also note the two links to the help toward the bottom left hand corner called Learn about using NVivo and Access Support Resources. The help is really excellent in NVivo. However, for now, we want to begin with our new project or our own project, so we just need to click on the Create New Project. You have clicked on the Create New Project and the window has popped up asking you to give your new project a title. Let's call the project My NVivo Project. You can also give a longer description, but there is no need for that now. Simply write in the title your project name and press Create. I've opened my NVivo project and I have called mine My Getting Started NVivo Project Mac. You can see the name at the very top of the screen, My Getting Started NVivo Project Map.nvpx. .nvpx is the extension for an NVivo project in Mac. There's a lot going on in the screen, but for now I want you to focus on the very left-hand column, which we call the navigation column, because it's here that we can easily go between different parts of our project. At the very top, you can see data, and that comprises file classification, and externals. All coding will go under the codes folder, and cases under the cases folder. We won't go into the details now, but the important thing is that every part of your project will go here. For instance, you might make visual maps, which will be stored under Maps, and any notes you make will go under the Notes area. Search is where you will store any queries or much of your analysis. So it is a really important navigation area within the NVivo project. Along the top, we will see a menu entitled Home, Create, Data, Analyze, Query, Explore, Layout, and View. We will be looking at all of these during the sessions. I want you to note the Help button. This is always very useful to know where the help is in NVivo because it's a really useful resource. I want you to click on Help when you go into your own project, and once you do that, you can see multiple options here. I clicked on NVivo Help from the top menu and this new window appeared. Here in the left-hand column, you can see all the different parts of the project mirroring those in the navigation column, for example, nodes, cases, etc. If you click on those, you can find a lot of information that's very helpful. However, what I want you to do now is to go into the middle part, and you will see there other resources. I've just highlighted the Getting Started tutorial. It's a good idea to get your learning about how to use NVivo from a number of sources. Certainly, I'd recommend that you have a look at this one, Getting Started tutorial within NVivo. I'm going to click on that Getting Started tutorial. When you click on the Getting Started tutorial, this page appears. Click on Start Tutorial to start the tutorial. This ends the Getting Started Creating an NVivo Project in Mac PowerPoint video.